Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're making some vanilla madeleines. It's Isaac and welcome back to the channel. A few months ago I shared a recipe for chocolate madeleines which was quite popular with you guys, so I thought why not do a vanilla version as well. As usual, ingredients in the description box below. Let's get going. We'll start off by melting some butter in the pan. Just keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn and take it off the heat when it has fully melted. Okay, moving on to the batter. In a clean bowl, whisk up some eggs, vanilla extract and sugar until it is nice and pale. Do this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure the sugar is fully incorporated into the eggs and get some air into the mixture so we get a light and fluffier cake. Next, let's pass the all-purpose flour, almond flour, salt and baking powder through a sieve and into the mixture. Almond flour stops the madeleine from drying out and is great for keeping the cake moist for longer. Now you can replace the all-purpose flour if you have a nut allergy, but they really do make the madeleines better, so if you can, try to keep them in. Give it a quick mix and stop as soon as everything is fully combined. You don't want to overdo it because gluten will overdevelop and make your cake really tough. At this point, the butter should now be cool enough so it won't cook your batter. So once you're happy with the mixture, pour in the melted butter and give it another quick whisk. Now, it's time for a little trick to make sure we get that classic madeleine look with the little hump in the middle. The key is to let the batter sit in the fridge for an hour before baking. This works because chilling the batter makes the inside cook slower than the outside, and this forces the air in the batter to escape through the middle as it heats up. A simple but effective technique. Once it comes out the fridge, I'm going to put the batter in a piping bag just to make my life a little bit easier later on. You can also use a tablespoon to keep things simple. You'll see what I mean later. At this point you just want to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Grease the pans with some melted butter just to stop it from sticking and it's ready to be filled. The important thing is to fill each madeleine up to about 75% of the mould so it doesn't overspill when it bakes. As you can see, using a piping bag just keeps things a little bit tidier and a bit neater, but if you only have a tablespoon, that works fine as well. And it's time to get baking. Pop these into the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. And they should rise in the oven looking gorgeous like this. They will stick to the pan if you don't let them cool first, so be patient, give it some time before removing from the mould. And finally, give them a light dusting of icing sugar or powdered sugar to get that classic madeleine look. So, what do you guys think? I love them because they're absolutely delicious and perfect for sharing. I've also made a video on the chocolate version as well, so do check that one out. It'll be very interesting to see which flavour you guys prefer. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Maybe I can even do a third video with more flavours. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next week. Take care.